Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Track and another episode of the Back Shop. So, you've been paying attention. We've been doing a lot of work on some cabooses, or whatever. So, this is my Pennsylvania Railroad stand-in till I get my, till I get working on my NC5s. I got a couple of those in the in kit form that I want to get to, and I have another one that's coming. Ready to roll from Bowser. I really do like the Bowser stuff. So, let's try not to break this. Alright. Alright, so basically, what I gotta do here is I gotta get these windows in. So, yeah, I'm going high tech with these. I got this acetate, or whatever you want to call this, packaging material from a blister pack, and it fits, so we're going to work with it. I already did the windows up in the top, and so we're going to go from there. I take a little isopropyl alcohol. I'm never so happy since I made that. I bought that paper towel rack. That thing works awesome. Get some of my grubby fingerprints off of this. Not getting a lot of it. I'm getting some of it. I don't know if you can see the difference. There is a little bit of a difference. So we'll go from there. I like to use canopy grill. I actually thought about doing the old school like Sobo windows using the gallery glass, but I don't have any gallery glass, so we're going to go with this. I don't really need to paint this on there, but since I put so much out there, I figured I would just use the brush. I'll just clean this brush up later. Oh, I just messed that up. Isopropyl alcohol, I'll get it off. What's happening is it's too long. All right, that's that side. And we'll do the same with the other. Got windows there. I just got to make another window for this front. Nope, that's not going to stay on. I got to put a little more on there. All right, that works there. All right, so just let that dry. The windows are in. Lights are in. I actually have this laser kit, American Model Builders. Sadly, I think this company is gone. They have the screen doors and screen windows. So what I'm thinking of doing is, since this is just really just a placeholder, I have this B&O caboose right now that I like because I got a B&O engine that I need a caboose for. I'm gonna do everything on this. I'm thinking of actually throwing the screen door on this one and possibly taking the door out. I saw online a 3D printed interior. Maybe I'll get it. I don't know, but that's going to be the next one. That's going to get lights. We're going to do. I believe the B&O had the marker lights like that one, like this one has on there. We'll do that on these, and yeah, we'll go from there on that. I mean, these Athens cabooses are decent. You know, I mean, they're not prototypical, I guess, but they're good enough. So we're gonna let this dry, and then we'll come back and we'll put it back together again, and we'll get you some beauty shots of it. All right, guys. Alright guys, so in the pictures came out, the LED actually fell out of this side, so I was able to get back in there, and now it lights up correctly. I didn't like the way it was looking, so I took some Tamiya, and whatever you want to call it, flat, and I sprayed the inside of the glass, and I frosted the glass. It looks better when it's going down the track. It definitely looks better. So I got that done. It's all together. You know, I'm pretty happy with this whole thing. You know, for what it is. I mean, Pennsylvania didn't have this style. This, I guess, is they call this a Santa Fe style caboose. But so it's that. I left this window open because I have a conductor that's got his arm out the window, and I'm gonna when I find it, I'm gonna glue him in there. I don't know why. I'm just gonna glue him in there. But this is all together. So now I got a caboose to run on a layout behind the Pennsy train. So we did that one. I believe in one of the videos, same video you saw. This one done too, Erie. And I put a red light on the back. Let's light this one up so you can see it. It's actually pretty cool. Got the end of the train, you know, caboose light in the back. Is it the correct one for the Erie? I don't know. Lights up pretty good. I got that one done. This one's done. Both of them are lighting up nicely nice now. Can't really see with the lights on in here, but it lights up pretty decently. That was using those strips, and that works. We're gonna start doing the Santa Fe cars, I think, very shortly, and we'll go from there. So once again, guys, thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. When I look at the numbers in the back, it's amazing how many guys are returning and watching, but just not subscribing. Just please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and get this. It might actually get you something very shortly. So, again, thanks for watching. As always, I'll catch you later.